Hello and welcome back to our Learn HTML course. We're picking up where we left off last time with the plain HTML document. Hello world, this is my first web project and this is what we can see here. So to get going with this, we're just going to delete all of this and let's take a look at the anatomy of some HTML tags. So HTML tags always start off with this triangle bracket and then a letter and a number, and then we close off the triangle bracket like so. So these triangle brackets are the ones either side of the M key and the question mark key on your keyboard. So in here I've got P. Now P stands for paragraph. So in here we could write I am a paragraph. We save that. Come back here. Refresh the page. I am a paragraph. Now, it doesn't look really very special, but these P tags give us a way of controlling the flow of a document and containing content into neat little sections. So here now there's another type of tag we can use called the H1 or the header 1 tag, and in here we can write I am a header 1. Great, so see how this is formatted completely differently to the paragraph tag just below it. Now what you might have noticed is as I wrote these tags and then close them off, VS Code automatically drops in the closing tag, which has this // just before, exactly the same as the letters that we put in the opening tags. So we've got here, I am a header 1. In our H2 we could have I am a header 2, save that, refresh the page, and see how this tag is now styled slightly differently. It's on the one above it, which is the header 1 and the header 2. And our paragraph is just normal text. So if we go into here, do H3, I am a header 3, and so on and so forth. Although there's only 5 header level tags that we can use, H1 through to H5. So yeah, that is our basic control flow of text tags and what a HTML tag looks like. Now, as you might have noticed, in the first one we put hello world, I am a page, or whatever. But see here, it appears all on one line, and that's because HTML has no real concept of dividing lines within the code. So you could do this, save that, and refresh the page, and then all of this will appear on separate lines because the HTML code knows that these tag elements are supposed to appear on a line on their own. So the line breaks we put in here are more for our own comprehension and ability to read it than anything else. Whereas we could do this and we still get it all on one line. So what if we did want to put in a line break inside our code? Well, the best way to do it would be create our P element. I am a line of text, and then we'll put in this BR tag with a / and then close. And that BR is a line break. So because there's nothing to include here, we wouldn't do BR/BR. That doesn't make any sense. So what we can do is BR/. You can leave out the /, but it's good practice to put it in. We can put in this is the second line. Save that. And there we go. See, we've got our line of text. This is our second line. So that line break has just put a break in the middle of the paragraph. Whereas the paragraphs have got a good amount of space underneath them. Line breaks just neatly wrap the text down onto a second line. We can just remove that for now. But yes, yeah, so that is the basic anatomy of a HTML tag. You've got the letter contained within the 2 triangle brackets, and then at the end of the tag you have the same letter, or letter and number, with a / at the start of it, and that shows the document that the tag has finished. So these are just some of the basic text tags that we can use. There are other more exciting tags that we can get onto in a minute, but hopefully this has given you a bit of an understanding as to what a basic HTML tag looks like. So thanks very much, and next time, yeah, we'll be looking at some more interesting tags and doing a bit more with HTML. See you in the next time.